Hi guys and welcome to another video. So this video I'm gonna talk about tuples. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, a tuple is basically a list of fast objects. Okay, so they are pretty similar to a list. They don't have. We are not able to add more items to a tuple, but they are very fast. So sometimes you will need this. So let's just create a tuple. To do that, you you give it a name, you use the equal sign, and you open parentheses, and you add object inside of this. So, for instance, I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's call the function type and pass t. As you guys can see, we have class type tuple. Okay, so to access an item or an element for a tuple, we pass this I forgot the name of this again, but when you could square brackets, actually square brackets. So we pass the index. For instance, we have index 0, 1, 2, and 2. If I pass 3, I'm gonna run out of index. Okay, so that's how you can create a tuple. Okay, so what if I wanted to create a tuple? As you guys can see, we cannot add more items. We only have two methods or functions, which is the count, which if I click here, I'm assume we return. Okay, so print t.count. Yeah, it doesn't show str t.count. Yeah, it doesn't seem to show how many items there is on a list. By the way, if you guys have any doubt on how to work with tuple, you guys should definitely comment down below. They are very useful sometimes. Okay, so that was the video, guys. I hope you like it. See you guys next time.